Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is louisihuefo. I'm a YouTuber based in Enugu, Nigeria. I'm a professional hairstylist. So if this is your first time here on my channel, please don't make it your last. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say a big thank you to you all. I love you. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use all the products from Hair by Any. So if this is what you're interested in, this video is definitely for you and you need to keep watching. So guys, all the products we'll be using today for this installation is from Hair by Any, and this video is proudly sponsored by Hair by Any. So guys, before I start any frontal installation, I like to prep the hair first. So in order to do that, we'll be starting with our got2be gel. So I'm going to push in all her edges inside and then get the got2be spray and then spray it. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to get my hand dryer and then blow it out. So I have a couple of videos on how to prep frontals, or how to install frontals rather. So I'm going to also leave one up there so you guys can go watch it and learn how to prep your hair before. So now we're going to be balding the hair. So I have my sauce card, so I'll be using it on my model today because I really don't want any damage to occur on her hairline after the installation, and also I would want the scalp to really give me the natural hair scalp illusion. So I'm going to cut out the iPad so she can be able to see and also operate her phone while the installation is going on. So I'm going to tear out the ear parts. I have a couple of videos on how to do balding too. I'm also going to leave one here so you guys can go watch it and learn how to do balding for your frontal installation. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to get my got2be spray and then spray it on the part where I really want it to stay down. So I already did all that off camera. So I'm cutting out the excess lace where I actually wanted it to stop. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to get my powder and then tone that part so it can actually look like her skin. So guys, to melt in the socks cap, I'm going to use the liquid gel. I'm just going to apply a little and then use my hand dryer to blow it down. So this will help give it that skin look. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell so you always will be notified whenever I post a video. So to do this, I'll be going in with this shade, which is her actual shade and also a darker shade, just to make it look like the contoured part. So I'm going to apply it and make sure I blend it properly before doing anything. So now I'm cleaning the part where I want to put the adhesive with my spirit and cotton wool, because I really want that part to be really clean so we can actually take the product we're going to be using for this video. I'll be using the Hair by Any Skin Protect. I'm just going to spray a little on my cotton wool and then dab it into my model's skin. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to get the Hair by Any waterproof adhesive. So I'm going to do like thin layers and then spread it. So because we're going for a stronger hold or stronger grip rather, I'm going to be going in 3 times. So I'm going to do like 3 thin layers. So once I apply the first layer, I'm going to spread it and allow it clear before I come back and do a second layer and then do the same thing and apply the third one. So once I'm done with the third one, I'm going to then place my frontal unit on the hair and tie down.
Put your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah. Girl, you always tend to drive me crazy, looking at me with those eyes. Yeah. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out. The shirt you gave me, 'cause it reminds me of the times when I was down and you were there to save me, telling me that.
But before I tie down, I'm going to use the Hair by Any wax to like put all the hairs, I mean all the flyaways together. So I'm going to just apply it faintly into the hair and then get my hot comb and then lay the hair down.
Something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. You got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go.
So guys, it's styling time and I'm going to be using my curler, which is a heat appliance. So I'm going to get the Hair by Any heat protectant spray and then spray it all over the hair, and then get my hand dryer and blow dry the hair. So once I'm done blow drying the hair, I'm going to get my curler and then curl the hair. So before I start curling, I'm going to take out some hairs just in front as seen in the video that I'm going to be using to do the baby hair.
Put your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah. Girl, you always tend to.
So I'll be leaving a video on how to curl up there, so you guys can go watch it and learn how to curl your hair.
Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it. Baby, I still wear the shirt you gave me, 'cause it reminds me of the times when I was down and you were there to save me.
So if you know me too well, you know baby hairs are like my favorite when it comes to frontal installation. So to do this, I'm going to get my scissors and then trim it just as seen in the video. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to get the Hair by Any liquid gel. Yes, you heard me guys. I'll be using the Hair by Any liquid gel to do her baby hair. Trust me guys, this liquid gel is a multi-purpose gel. You can use it to lay your frontals, just like you have an event for that day and you also want to take out your frontal that same day. You use the liquid gel to do that. So I am using the liquid gel to do the baby hair today because I really want it to sit properly just the way I want it to. So I'm just going to apply a little on the hair I already trimmed, and then once I'm done with that, I'm going to get my edge control brush and then sweep this hair backward.
I'ma try to help you let it go. Oh no. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go.
You're gone now. Will you call me back? Yeah, I know that.
So you guys, I know y'all love how this installation came out, and in order to achieve installations like this, you should try and place an order. Get yours from Hair by Any. I'll be leaving a link to their Instagram in the description below, so you guys can go purchase yourself some good and luxurious products for your frontal installation. So you want to slay like me? Get yourself the full package. It comes with the tint, the wax, the adhesive, the skin protect, the styling foam, and the glue remover. So slay like me and order yours now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was really insightful. Please, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to do that before you leave, and also don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. Like my videos, watch them, share them with your friends, because you know sharing is caring. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you all will be notified whenever I post a video. So is there anything you'd want to see here on this channel? Please don't forget to leave it in the comments below, and I promise you guys I'm going to come through. So I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.